Hey there, amazing English learners. Welcome to English Mastery Podcast. I'm Vey, here with my wonderful co-host James, and today we have something super practical for all our beginner friends. James, imagine walking into any store and knowing exactly what to say and how to ask for what you need. What if those confusing price tags and long checkout lines no longer felt so scary or intimidating? Today, we're unlocking the essential English phrases that will transform your shopping experiences from stressful and confusing to successful and confident, starting right now. Whether you're buying groceries, shopping for clothes, or even ordering online, we've got you covered. This isn't complicated grammar or fancy vocabulary. This is real, practical English that you can use immediately. By the end of this episode, you'll feel ready to confidently shop anywhere. Are you excited to turn those awkward pointing moments into clear, confident conversations?
Oh, Vey, I'm so excited about this because shopping is something we all need to do, and it shouldn't be stressful. Let's start with basic vocabulary that every shopper needs to know. First, when you enter a store, you'll grab either a cart, that's the big one with wheels that you push, or a basket, the smaller one you carry. Practice saying cart and basket. Great. Now, products are organized in aisles. Those are the long rows between shelves. When you're ready to pay, you go to checkout, and after paying, you get a receipt that's your proof of purchase. Here's your shadowing practice. Excuse me, which aisle has the bread? Try it. Excuse me, which aisle has the bread? Perfect. For grocery stores, learn these sections. Produce for fruits and vegetables, dairy for milk and cheese, bakery for fresh bread, meat section, and frozen foods. And don't forget price words. Sale means cheaper prices, discount is money off, and buy one get one free, we call that BOGO for short.
James, those basics are so important. Now let's learn the essential phrases that every shopper absolutely needs. When you need help finding something, here's your magic phrase. Excuse me, where can I find? Followed by what you need. Practice this. Excuse me, where can I find the tomatoes? Or, if you're not sure they have something, do you have any? Try, do you have any gluten-free bread? Yeah, exactly. At checkout, the cashier will ask, cash or card? That's how you want to pay. You can also ask, can I get a bag if you need one? And here's a money-saving question. Do you have a loyalty program? That's for discounts. Sometimes things go wrong, so learn these. This is broken, or this is damaged if something's not right. And if you need to bring something back, I'd like to return this. Here's your checkout shadowing practice. Card, please, and can I get a bag? Feel how natural that sounds? These phrases work in almost every store.
Exactly, V. Now let's practice with real shopping scenarios because this is where it gets fun. Scenario 1. You're in a grocery store and you need ingredients for dinner. You might say, excuse me, where can I find pasta? The employee might say, aisle 5, next to the rice. You say, thank you. At checkout, did you find everything okay? Yes, thank you. Easy, right? Scenario 2, shopping for clothes. You see a shirt you like, but you need a different size. Say, do you have this in medium? Or do you have this in large? If you want to try it on, can I try this on? The store clerk will show you to the fitting room. If it fits, I'll take it. If not, thank you, but it doesn't fit. Ha ha! Shopping for clothes is actually fun when you know what to say. Here's your role play practice. I'm the cashier. Did you find everything okay? Now you respond. Remember, Practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to repeat these phrases until they feel natural.
James, those scenarios are perfect for building confidence. And let's go beyond the basics, because understanding signs and digital shopping is super important too. When you're in stores, look for these signs: exit to leave, restroom for the bathroom, customer service when you need help, and no loitering means don't hang around without shopping. For online shopping, and this is huge nowadays, you'll see add to cart to select items, proceed to checkout to pay, and you'll need your shipping address for delivery. Here's your digital shopping shadowing. Add to cart, proceed to checkout. Simple, right? Now here's your homework assignment. On your next shopping trip, practice just 3 phrases from today's episode. Maybe start with, "Excuse me, where can I find?" and "Cash or card?" and "Thank you." Don't try to use everything at once. Just pick 3 phrases and use them confidently. Then come back and tell us about your success. Remember, every small step counts, and you're doing amazing just by listening and learning with us today.
That's absolutely perfect, Vey. Remember, everyone, shopping doesn't have to be scary or confusing. You now have all the essential phrases to shop confidently anywhere. Start small, practice these phrases, and celebrate every successful shopping trip. Your English journey is amazing, and we're so proud of your progress. Keep practicing, keep shopping, and keep building that confidence. We'll see you next time on English Mastery Podcast.